Hey train fans, welcome to Rockwall Canyon. So it's been a while since I've done a narrated episode. I've done a lot of YouTube shorts lately, those seem to be pretty popular. But I figured it's time for a bit of an update. So for the last year or so, I've been really into doing these really big freight trains. I think the longest we've done is 136 cars. We can do 100 cars pretty consistently now. We can get those running around pretty smoothly. 70, 80 cars are really comfortable with that length. Anything longer than that requires helper engines somewhere in the middle or at the back, and that can get kind of messy. So the photos, of course, are from my open house this past summer. You'll see the engines of G-Scale Jake, the nice Pan Am engines, and Guilford SD45. Also had some power from J&A Railways as well, and some other New Hampshire Garden Railway Society members also brought some trains to run, including those SD70s with a full container train, as well as some other 1950s equipment, which is really great to see. And also new to my excursion fleet this year is this main central consolidation. It's an Aristo-Craft engine that's been decorated. I see an evening excursion that I did using a new light source that I got from Harbor Freight that lights up my backyard very nicely. All right, so moving on to the feature presentation here. You know, I've done so much with the freight trains this year, I've kind of left the passenger trains out of the loop here. So we thought it might be kind of interesting to try doing a train race. And so here's what we have. Alright, so it wasn't exactly a close race, but at least we had fun. The engines had the same motor blocks, so we thought we had everything pretty evenly matched. The same batteries, same motor blocks, same radio control, but something in that Doodle bug is just a little slower than those RDCs. We'll try to figure it out for next time, get a better pairing, so maybe try to have a closer race. We'll see. Anyways, thanks for joining me. I'm Rocky Canyonero, and that's how we do trains around here.